What's up guys, and welcome back to another Coin Explorer video. Today's topic will be an exchange that's been here for a while. Since 2017 they're operating. They're called CoinW. I'll go through all important features and things that they're offering, and also there are some great opportunities for the early birds. So guys, stay tuned. So my dear friends, as you can see in front of you is CoinW, but before we continue you need to know that I'm not your financial advisor. Nothing in this video is financial advice, and everything that I'm doing here is for your education and for your entertainment. With that said, we can continue, and the important thing to know is that in this video we will go through things and in-depth look of CoinW, a global cryptocurrency platform that's been here since 2017 and has grown into a full-service exchange for retail and also advanced traders alike. So let's break it down guys, and the first thing that you need to know is that CoinW is a centralized cryptocurrency exchange that supports spot trading, features, contract and leverage products and various earning programs, and it also offers tools like copy trading, trading bots and a native token reward system, along with additional products such as ETFs and also promotional listings. So the platform claims to support hundreds of crypto assets including major Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana and many altcoins. So in the buying coins you can see there is C2C transaction, which where there is 0p, there is quick transaction, also block trade. Market trends are right here, and you can see U-based contracts. In the trade sector you can see, as I mentioned, spot trading, ETF trading and also JMB trading. Follow-up orders are right here, strategies, bunch of things, and also you can learn through this. By clicking on a strategy guys, you will be directed to the place where you can check your strategy and also check strategy guide to clearing levels. Also by scrolling down you can start your academy, a referral bonus for the traders, AI trading assistant is there, and also daily recommendation. So a bunch of things are offered from them, and what I want to mention is that there is cool stuff. So trading options, spot trading, so standard buy sell with real-time order execution, which is extremely fast with very low and competitive fees. Futures and contracts, so leverage trading available for more advanced users. If you're interested in trading in, I mean, you can say it like harder trading, you need to know better when you're leveraged. Generally you can benefit more or earn more, but you can also even lose more when you use leverage. Also there is copy trading and the bots that I mentioned, which is truly amazing stuff. You can check it out so users can follow strategies and or automate trades, which is really cool. And also ETF and structured products, non-margin leverage products with unique yield structure. So generally guys, you can check a bunch of things right here. So strategy health, follow-up plaza is in front of you. Here you can see a bunch of traders and how they are operating and how much returns they actually get. So generally this is the strategies that you can get and copy if you're interested into doing something like this. Contract grid, spot grid is there, contract margin goal and bunch of other things. So if you want to trade and go to the trade sector, you'll be directed straight to the platform where you can actually use their platform and see how it looks. So first thing that I would like to do is to put on a dark screen because it's much easier for anyone to want. So first of all, you need to know that it's a very clear, it's a very fast, and it's all you actually need. So let's talk about other things that you need to know. So fees and costs. You need to know that spot trading fees are around 0.1% per trade for both maker and taker orders, which is really competitive. Future trades are often lower for marketers and also slightly higher for the takers because it's a different part. So fee discounts may be available through the VIP tiers and bunch of other things. So they're offering a bunch of other things that are offered from similar exchanges. You need to know what is the security and that they are actually offering to us. So first of all, multi-layer encryption and cold storage for the major assets is there, two-factor authenticator and also additional login protections, which is truly amazing. And there is also anti-phishing tools and risk management monitoring. So generally guys, they're offering a bunch of important and interesting things right now. So guys, let's talk about the pros that are offered when if you are interested into trading or generally using CoinW. First things, a wide range of assets is there, so hundreds of tradable coins are listed, which is truly amazing. There is low trading fees compared to the market average, which is really important. They are competitive in that sector and they're here for a while. Also there is advanced trading features like bots, APIs, and also the copy trading is there. They're completely user-friendly interface on both desktop and also mobile application. You can check it, download it for yourself and see how it works for you. So generally guys, I think that's bunch of things that they are offering. So generally user experience is mixed, but I think bunch of people have great experience with CoinW. So to sum this up, guys, you need to see that they are offering also an amazing event. So right here, guys, you can see there's the event that is starting January 26 and it will be ended on February 2nd, 2026, 4 p.m. or UTC 4 p.m. So as you can see, recently a global sell-off has occurred in risky assets. So with Bitcoin crashing below 9,000 right now, it's a huge crash in these moments. I don't know what's happening below, because Japanese long-term bonds being sold off, major US stocks indices falling across the board, and also granular prices compounding the situation, landing to a significant increase in risk aversion. So to help users better cope with challenges and also capture certainty in the current complex macroeconomic environment, CoinW is launching crazy Earn Fun Week event, and as you can see, it's detailed below in this part. So early bird express so recommended for the largest subscription. So during this event, one promotional product will be launched every day from Monday to Sunday. The earlier you participate, the higher your returns will be. So here, guys, you can see currency will be USDT, reference annual is 17%, production lifespan is 30 days, and single persona quota is 10,000 to 12,000, and you can see how much is in the return. So, and also you can see, there is also another thing that is offered. It's a happy bus, so small amount introduction purchase. Here you can see subscription period Monday to Sunday, 16 January 2026, and it will end on 16 February 16 o'clock, February 2nd. So you can see currency will be USDT, reference annualized is 12%, product lifespan is 30, and single persona quota 500 to 1,000. So generally, guys, here you can see terms and conditions, limited quantities available, first came, first served, and while supply lasts. You need to have that in mind. Local currency earning will be distributed to the user's earning account after the product, and make sure also there is all participants must strictly abide by CoinW terms and conditions, and also you can check all the other things for yourself. Links will be also in the description. So, my dear friends, I think that CoinW is actually a really great platform. They're here for a while, since 2017. They're offering a bunch of amazing opportunities for traders or crypto enthusiasts to join the market and have great experience. They have really cool user interface, which is important because it needs to be easy to be understood. They're explaining everything. There is a bunch of new things that they're offering. So my suggestion is to definitely create account and check it out for yourself. In the comment section below, I'd like to hear from you. What do you think about them? Do you want to cover any other type of exchange in the future videos, or do you like to cover any other things like trading, like spot trading or copy trading, or to go through their bots? Everything depends on what do you want. Tell me and we will consider, maybe we will create more videos about the CoinW. Please, guys, stay safe in the crypto space. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next video.